ജപനിലം.
Hi children, today we are going to learn 4th class 5th lesson divisions. Okay, already you learned divisions in 3rd class. Okay, what is meant by division? Do you know? First, what is the sign of the division? This is the sign of the division, divided by. Okay, what is meant by division? Do you know anybody what is meant by division? A quantity sharing in equal amounts. For example, some quantity is there. That quantity, if you share in equal amounts, are called division. For example, today is your birthday. For that to distribute, you bought chocolates to distribute for your friends. You bought 30 chocolates. Yes, now that is the quantity. This quantity you have to share for your 5 friends. Now how many each of them will get? How many chocolates each of your friend will get? They should get equal number of chocolates. For that we have to do division. For example, if you gave 5 members are there, yes. If you want to distribute 30 chocolates for 5 members, first you will give one chocolate for each friend. Next 2. Now 10 over 3 5s are 15. Next 4th one. 4 5s are 20. 5th one you gave 5. 5 5s are 25. Now you gave 6th one. 6, yes, 6, each one gets 6. Now 6 5s are 30. Here what happened here? You distributed your chocolates for your 5 friends, each one 6. Then you total you can distribute then 30 chocolates. Here what happened? You have to distribute your 30 chocolates for 5 friends, each of them 6 chocolates. This is equal sharing, that is called division. A quantity, see, sharing a quantity equally among a number of the groups is called division. See here, for example, you have 10 marbles. Okay, now I am drawing these marbles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You want to distribute 2 marbles for your friends. Now how many marbles each friend will get? See, 2 I am making into groups. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, you distributed 2 marbles for each of your friend. Now how many for how many members you can distribute? Now how many groups are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 5 groups. Like that we have to make a group. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Again, see here, you have 5 6 7 8 9. You have 9 balloons. Total balloons are 9. You want to share 3 balloons for your friends. Now how many balloons you have to share? 3. That's why you have to write 9 divided by 3. Now I am grouping 3 balloons. 1 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 1 2 3. How many groups are there? 3. Now you can distribute 9 balloons for each one 3 balloons for 3 members. Like that you have to do division. This one we learn in 3rd class. Now we are going to learn how to do the divisions for 3 digits and 4 digits also. See here, this is the division sign, divided by. Okay, now for example 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Yes, why? Because 5 5s are 25. You can say like that, 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. This is called a division fact. And before also we done 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 we got. This is also called a division fact. In division fact, the symbol is called divided by. What we have to call the symbol? Divided by. Divided by before number. Before number means a quantity is called dividend. Dividend. Divided by after number is called divisor. Divided by after number is called divisor. In divisions, result is called quotient. Result is called quotient. Sometimes we will get remainder also. Now, when we will get the remainder, what is the remainder? Now we are going to learn. One more time, this is the divided by sign. Division sign divided by sign before number is called dividend, after number is called divisor, result is called quotient. Okay, see now I am going to do 3-digit division. See here, 456 divided by 2. First I am doing with the 2 table only. 456 divided by 2. How to do division? See here, first only we will learn this is the sign divided by. Divided by means we have to do division. Now I am going to arrange these numbers in long division method. See how to arrange. Divided by before number is called dividend. What we learn? Dividend. Dividend we have to arrange middle of the sum. 456. Divided by after number is called divisor. Divisor we have to arrange left side of the number. Now with 2 we have to divide the given number. Okay. To do divisions what we need? Tables. To do multiplication we need tables. To do divisions also we have to need tables. That's why what I am saying, no, every day, at least 10 minutes you have to revise the tables. If you know tables, then also you have to revise the tables. Then you won't forget. Okay, now see, for now which table we need? 2 table. Okay, I am writing the table side of this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. If you, no need to write table. If you write the table one time, you can revise the table. That's why I am asking you, write the table. While you are doing the division, better to write the table side of the division. Teacher, is it necessary? No, it is not necessary. But if you write the table side of this, first you won't get confusion. After, once it will revise. Okay, see here, I wrote the 2 table here. Now, while we are doing the division, we have to compare highest place number with divisor. In divisor, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit, that is 2. That's why you have to compare in dividend, highest place 1 digit only. Now see here, in highest place, if you find out greater than divisor, we have to take only 1 number. In highest place, if you find out less than divisor, we have to take 2 numbers at a time. See here, all of you observe here. Here 4. What is the highest place number? 4. 4 is greater than 2. 2 is the divisor here. 4 is greater than 2. That's why we have to take only 1 number. See here, 2 table. Now if we take, we got here 4. Now is there 4 in 2 table? We have to check. Is there 4 in 2 table? Yes. How many times? 2 2s are 4. See, now we have to write this 2 in quotient. 2 2s are 4. Now we have to do subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Next we have to take next number down. If you take 0, 5. In highest place 0, no need to write. Okay. Now 5. Is there 5 in 2 table? We have to check. Is there 5 in 2 table? No, not there. Then what should we do? We have to take nearest below number. Nearest below number is 4. How many times? Again 2 times. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now here we have one more number to take down, that is 6. Now 16. See here, 16. Now, is there 16 in 2 table? Yes. How many times? 2 8s are. 2 8s are 16. 8 we have to write in quotient and we have to write down and we have to do subtraction. Now, see here 16 minus 16, 0. This 0 is called remainder. This 0 is called remainder. Here 228 is called quotient. 228 is called quotient. Did you understand? Now 456 is dividend. Already we learned 456 is dividend. 2 is the divisor. Did you understand how to do divisions? Okay. Now I am going to teach for you another sum. 4-digit sum. 1265 divided by 12. See, 1265 divided by 12. See here, with 12 we have to divide the given number 1265. Okay, see here, do you know 12 table? If you know, write the 12 table. See here, this is the division sign. Division sign before number is called dividend. After number is called divisor. We have to find out the quotient. Okay, we have to write the 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120. What did you observe in 12 table? See here, we observed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is missing, 12 consecutive numbers. If you observe in one's place, all are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, and this is the 12 table. Now, how many numbers we have to compare? In 12, we have 2 digits. That's why we have to compare the last 2 digits. Highest place 2 digits, 12. Now, is it 12 is greater than 12 or less than 12? 12 is equal to 12. If you find out here greater number, you have to take 3 digits. If you find out here smaller number, you have to, if you find out here greater number, you have to take only 2 digits. If you find out here smaller number, you have to take 3 digits. If you find out same number, how many digits you have to take? You maybe you will get the doubt. If you find out same number here, you have to take only 2 digits only. Now 12. Is there 12 in 12 table? Yes. How many times? 1 time. 1 12s are 12. Now do subtraction. 12 minus 12, 0. You have to take down 6. Okay. 0 means no value. In highest place 0 means no value. That's why you have to rub. Now 6 is there. If you observe, 6 is smaller than divisor. 6 is smaller than divisor. Then we can't do division. Then what should we do? We have to take one more number down. Now here we took 2 numbers down. Actually we have to take 1 number only down. No need, don't take 2 numbers down. If you take 2 numbers down at a time, you have to keep 0 in quotient. This point you have to remember always. See, always at a time we have to take 1 number only. Okay, if the number is smaller than divisor, we have to take another number also down. If you take 2 numbers at a time down, you have to keep 0 in quotient. Okay, now 65. Is there 65? Not there. Now what number is there? 60 is there. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Highest place 0, no need to write. Now 5 answer. To take down any number not their side. But 5 is the less than 12. That's why you have to stop doing the division. Now 5 we can say remainder. Teacher, Here we got smaller number. If you get before smaller number, you took another number and you did division. Here why we have to stop? Why? Because here you got the number smaller than the divisor. If you get like that, you have to take another number down, but to take down here any number not there. That's why you have to stop the sum, and this number is the remainder. This number is the remainder, and 105 is the quotient. And already we know 12 is the divisor and 1265 is the dividend. Okay, now did you understand how to do divisions? If they gave more digits also, more than 5, more than 4, 5, 6, if they gave more than 4 digits also, you have to follow same as usual. Did you understand how to do divisions? Okay, now I am going to teach one more division. See here. These are, we can say these are the quick tips. By learning these divisions, you can complete your activities. I will say your activity 5.9, 5.8, 5.10, 5.11, 5.12 also you can complete by this. After 5.15 also I will teach that, that is the number story. Next question, practice questions. 101, page number 101, practice questions also you can complete this. And now see here, now I am going to say for you quick tips. For example, he given 2500 divided by 10. See, 2500 is the dividend, 10 is the divisor. We have to find out the quotient and remainder. See, for that I am arranging those numbers in long division method. 2500 divided by 10. Dividend we have to arrange middle, divisor we have to write left side of the dividend. Now we need 10 table. 10 ones are 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Now here 2 digits are there in divisor, that's why you have to compare 2 digits. 25, 25 is greater than 10, that's why you have to take only 2 digits. Is there 25 in 10 table? You have to check, not there. Then what should we do? 10 twos are 20. Now 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0, no need to write. Now take down 0. 50, how many times? 5 times. 5 times 50. Okay, 50 minus 50, 0. And here we have one more 0 here down. Here 0 means less than 10, no? That's why I am writing that 0 in quotient. Now 250 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. We have to do like this division. But no need to do this much division when you are having zeros. For this I will say quick tips easily. See, here 2500 divided by 10. Result is 250 only. How we will get? See here, in 10 how many zeros are there? 1. If you divide any number by 10, we have to remove 1 zero in that number. Why? Because in 10 how many zeros we are having? We are having only 1 zero. That's why you have to remove 1 zero. If you divide any number by 100, how many zeros are there in 100? 2. That's why you have to cut 2 zeros and write the remaining number. That is the answer. 25. 2500 divided by 100 is equal to 25. See here, if you divide any number with 1000, from that number we have to remove 3 numbers, 3 zeros. Why? Because in 1000 we have 3 zeros. Now we have to remove 3 zeros. Now answer is 13. These are the quick tips. See, I will give some examples. Listen carefully. 2750 divided by 10. Here we are doing division with 10. That's why cut 1 zero and write remaining number. While we are doing division with 10, we have to cut 1 zero from the number. Here 24,000 divided by 100. In 100, if you divide any number with 100, we have to remove 2 zeros. Remaining number you have to write 240. Okay, if you divide any number by 1000, you have to remove 3 zeros. Now answer is 36. These are the quick tips. These quick tips, by these quick tips, you can complete your activity quick tips page number 92. Okay, next I will say some properties of the divisions. Those you will get in blanks. What are those? See, what are those? If you divide same number divided by same, one number divided by same number is equal to 1. For example, 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. 200 divided by 200 is equal to 1. Here what did we get? One number divided by the number itself is equal to 1. By this you can do your activity 5.5. What is the first property? If you divide one number divided by the number itself is equal to 1. Okay, 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1, 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1, 200 divided by 200 is equal to 1. Next property is, if you divide any number by 1, you will get the same number. 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. 32 divided by 1 is equal to 32. 29 divided by 1 is equal to 29. 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. What is the next property? If you divide any number by 1, you will get the number itself. Okay. By this, you can complete your activity 5.7. Next, any number divided by 0 is equal to, any number divided by 0 is equal to 0. By this, you can complete 91. Any number divided by 0 is equal to 0. By this, you can complete page number 91. Okay, I hope you understood how to do the divisions. In division, one more topic is there, that is the relationship between multiplication and division. Relationship between multiplication and division. What is the relationship between multiplication and division? See here, 4 8s are 40. This is the multiplication fact. Yes. Now, I will write 40 divided by 8 is equal to how much? Without doing sum only we can say. See, how many 8s are 40? 5 8s are. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. If you want, you can do division. 40 divided by 8. Write 8 table. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. Yes. How many 8s are 40? 5 8s are 40. We got here reminder 0, quotient is 5. Yes, I wrote the quotient 5. Here in this, what did you observe? What did you observe in this? Here, what did you observe from this division and multiplication facts? What did you observe? See here, the dividend, this is the dividend, 40 is the dividend. Yes, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Yes, see here, what is the relationship between multiplication and division? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Did you understand? Dividend. What is the relationship between multiplications and divisions? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, here I am taking 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Already we learned. We know 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. If you want, you have to do division with 3. 3 5s are 15. Yes. Okay. Dividend is equal to 15 here. Divisor is equal to 3. quotient is equal to 5. Now remainder is equal to 0. Now we have to substitute the values in the relationship between multiplications and divisions. See here, dividend is equal to divisor. What is the divisor here? 3. 3 into quotient is 5 plus remainder is 0. If you did this, you have to get the dividend. Then only you did right. Now see here. First we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 5s are 15. After we have to add 0 for that number. 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. Did you observe? Dividend is equal to 15 only now in this. Now you can this is the check. This is the check for divisions. And we can say this is the relationship between multiplications and divisions. If you multiply divisor into quotient, if you multiply divisor and quotient, you have to get the dividend. That is the relationship between dividend and division and multiplication. Okay, now I will do one more sum. All of you listen carefully. See what he is asking. No, do the division and divide the given sum. 34,125 divided by 5. You have to do the division and find out the relationship between multiplication and division. Now I am going to do first division. 5 divided by 34,125. For that, which table we have to write? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, now see here. First what I told, we have to compare the highest place value with divisor. If you get small number, you have to take 2 numbers at a time. If you get greater number, you have to take only one number. Now if you observe the highest place number and divisor, 3 is smaller than 5. That's why we have to take 2 numbers at a time. Okay, now 34. Is there 34 in 5 table? No, not there. Then we have to take nearest below number. Nearest below number is 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now do subtraction. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. No need to write. Now we have to take down 1. 41. Is there 41 in 5 table? Not there. What is the nearest below number? 40. 8 times 40. Do subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1. Take 2, 12. Is there 12? No. We have to take nearest below number 10. 5 2s are 10. Do subtraction. 12 minus 10, 2. X we have to take down next number 5, 25. Is that 25? Yes, 5 times 5 5s are 25. Now what is the quotient? 6,825 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Now we have to check the relationship between multiplication and division. For that, what is the formula? Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now if you did this all, you have to get the dividend. See, what is the dividend? What is the dividend? 34,125 you have to get. Now, divisor. What is the divisor? 6,825 into quotient. Sorry, divisor. What is the divisor? 5. 5 into quotient. What is the quotient? 6,825 plus remainder is 0. First we have to do multiplication. I am doing here multiplication. 6,825 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. See, we got 34,125 by this multiplication, and we have to add 0 for that number. If you add 0 for any number, we will get the same number. Now we got 34,125. Is it equal to dividend or not? Yes, it is equal to dividend. 34,125, we got the dividend. This is the relationship between multiplication and division. Okay, now I am going to teach for you number stories when we have to do divisions. When in number stories, how to find out the addition, how to find out the subtraction, how to find out the multiplication, I teach for you. When we have to do addition, if you find out the clue words total, sum of, in, all together, you have to do addition. Yes, if you find out the words left, decreased by, balance, difference, remaining, less than, and how many more, how many less, given away, taken away. If you find out those words in number story, you have to do subtractions, I told. Then when we have to do multiplication, if you know value of the one thing, if you want to know value of more things, you have to do multiplication. That also we learn. Now when we have to do division, how to identify division in number stories? If you know more thing value, if you want to know only one thing value, you have to do division. When we have to do division, when you want to know one thing value, then you have to do division. For example, if a mother gave for you 30 rupees, she told, go and get 5 pence. Okay. Go and get 5 pence. You went to shop, he took 30 rupees and he gave for you 5 pence. Now what is the cost of each pen? Did you understand? Cost of 5 pence is equal to 30 rupees. Now what is the cost of 1 pen? Here you know cost of 5 pence. You have to know cost of 1 pen. In that time you have to do division. Now I will teach for you one writing sum, after you have to do remaining sum. In page number 100, 5.14, Robin delivers newspaper in his locality. If he delivers 16,625 copies of newspapers in 95 days, how many copies of newspaper does he deliver in a day? We know how many total number of, in 95 days, total how many newspapers he can deliver, you know. But you have to know here, in one day, how many newspapers he can deliver. For that here, what we have to do? Division. He asked the division, and what he is asking, check your answer using inverse relationship between multiplication and division. Now I am going to teach this sum. Remaining sums you have to do. Okay, see, what is the clue here he given? Robin delivers newspaper in his locality. If he delivers 16,665 copies of newspapers in 19 days. Now I am going to write first step, total number of newspapers Robin delivers in 95 days. How many he can deliver in 95 days? 16,625. 16,625. Now what we have to know? Number of newspapers he can deliver in a day. We have to know in a day. Day means one day value. That's why you have to do division. Write here division by fact. 16,625 divided by 90. 95. 16,625 divided by 95. Now dividend is 16,625. Divisor is 95. Now we need 95 table. Ammo, teacher, we don't know 95 table, maybe you can say. Yes, if you don't know any table, how to build a table, already we learn. See here, this is difficult, don't feel this is difficult. Okay, try to do. 95 ones are 95, 95 twos are, you don't know, do multiplication. 95 twos are, 5 twos are 10, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 920, sorry, 190. 95 threes are 95 into 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 nines are 27, 28. 285. 95 fours are 95 into 4. 4 fives are 20. 9 fours are 36, 38. Okay. 95 six are 95 fives are 95 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 2, 47, 475, 95 6 are 95 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3, 57, 570. Okay, after we will, if we need, we will continue the table. Now listen carefully. See here, in divisor how many digits are there? 2. Now we have to compare the last two numbers. If you compare these two numbers, 16 is less than 95. If you get those two numbers, last two numbers less than divisor, you have to take 3 numbers. Yes, 16 is less than 95, that's why you have to take 3 numbers at a time. Now 166. Is there 166 in 95 table? Not there. Then what should we do? We have to take below number. Nearest below number is 195, sir. 95. Do subtraction. 95 you should not write down of the 16. Why? Because 1's place down 1's place number, 10's place down 10's place number. 166 down you have to write 95. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 9, 6 minus 5, 1, 6 minus 9, we have to take borrow. Now 16 minus 9, 7, 71. Now we have to take next number 712. Is there 712? I think for this we have to know 19 5s are 95 7s are 7 5s are 35, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 6, 63 plus 3, 66, 665. And 95 8s are also I am finding. 95 8s are 8 5s are 40, 8 9s are 72, 76, 760. Okay, is there? Not there. 760 is there. 760 is greater than 712. That's why you have to take nearest below number. 35 7s are 665. 95 7s are 6 to 65. We have to write 665. Do subtraction. 2 minus 5, borrow. Now 12 minus 5, 7. 0 minus 6, borrow. Now 10 minus 6, 4. 6 minus 6, 0. No need to write. Now we have to take next number 5. 475. Is there 475? Yes. 95 5s are 475. We have to write 475. Now do subtraction. 0. Remainder is the 0. Quotient is 175. Okay. Now division over. Now we have to find out the relation between multiplication and division. For that, what is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now, what is the divisor? Divisor is 95. 95 into quotient 175 plus remainder 0. Now, first we have to do multiplication. 175 into 95. While we are doing multiplication or addition or subtraction, better to write up a big number, down small number. Now see, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 37, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63, 67, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 3 15. See 5, 12, 16, 6, 1. Yes, 16,625 plus 0. If you add 0 for any number, you will get the same number. Now 16,625. Is it equal to dividend? Yes, it is the dividend. Now what we did, that is the right. I hope you all understood these topics. By these topics, you can complete your division chapter. Okay, thank you, Nana.